Hey guys, it's Lori Ballen here, real estate marketing coach, and I wanted to show you how to create a list of homes for sale using IDX broker that you can sort by when they were last listed. So let's say you want to create a page on your real estate website and you want to show only recently listed homes. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that. So up top, we are going to go to, we want to create our widget. So designs, widget, create. Now do keep in mind that every MLS is different. And so IDX broker can only use fields that are provided by your MLS. Okay. Also, sometimes you have to go into the advanced search page and edit the preferences and drag in the extra fields that are not in here. I show you how to do that in a different video. So here, select type of widget. Let's just go ahead and do a showcase. And we're going to do a custom search, advanced search. Okay, showcase, custom search, advanced search. Then you're going to fill in all of your other stuff. So let's just say we want to show single family homes, and we're going to show single family homes in Las Vegas, which is where my real estate business is. And we're going to show only homes that are under $599. And we're going to show only, let's do 4-bedroom homes plus. So once you put in all of your specs, okay? Now right here is your max days listed. Drop that down, and I could choose homes that have just been listed 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Somebody asked me today in the last week, so you would put 7 days. And then here, results page 25, 50, or 100. Then you can also choose how you want these homes to be displayed at the bottom. So you go down here, widget name, homes listed in the past 7 days. Then here you can sort it by newest listings. So this is how I do it. If newest listings means it's going to show the homes that are the absolute most recent first. But if you know they've all been listed in 7 days and you're saying homes for sale in 7 days, you could instead then sort this by price, least to most expensive or most to least or whatever. Then choose the number of columns and the total number of listings. I always choose yes, display more results, build widget, and I'll show you what it looks like. So then we're going to take this code. We're going to go over to our website. I'm using WordPress, and this is my website. My company actually builds these real estate websites. So if you need a real estate website that works with IDX broker and is, has your basics for search engine optimization and all that, give us a call. We're at ballenbrands.com. So here, all I'm going to do is add my content block, and I want IDX broker showcase widget. I'm going to paste my code, and then we're going to hit preview so I can show you what it looks like. There it is. So there is your list of homes sorted. I sorted mine by price. So that is how you use IDX broker to create a page of list of homes for sale that have listed in the past few days. All right, thanks for joining me.